In the past, we made some decisions about our ETL software design which we regret. And last year, having thought about that, we decided to introduce dynamic actions. So far we created about 140 of them. Let me show you what is the problem with the standard actions. For example, here we have action show message, and we write a message, say for example, hi John. We run it, see the message. The problem we have is the variables, because if we create a variable called John and assign the value to it Maria, it will be replaced and we do not have any control over it. For example, the variable called run it again. See, the variable is replaced. So one of the problems that was addressed by introducing parameter type. So all dialogues, they look the same for dynamic actions. So we have metadata type, parameters, variables, and execution log. We look at another one, for example, delete file. Again, it is exactly the same. Parameters, variables, execution log. The list of parameters is different. So what we did, we introduced parameter type. So it can be static, variable, environment variable, or calculated. That gives the user a lot of control how everything is executed. Another problem we have is calculations inside the file names. For example, this one. So we can, what we're trying to do, we're trying to delete the file with two dates. Date. The problem here is the calculation is very basic. Then did you know that it is possible to create a file with curly brackets? In this case, we're not going to be able to process it because the software will always assume that inside the file name we have a calculation, and again we can have only one calculation inside the file name. In case of dynamic variables, we can write quite complex scripts using calculated type. Another thing we did, we split complex actions. For example, file operation. It's like a mega action. It can do everything. It can copy files, move files, rename file, etc. We created separate actions for every single option. So we have delete files, copy, move, etc. I hope you understand now why the decision was made to introduce dynamic actions, and I hope you find it useful. Please like and subscribe.